We see a complete wrapping line here, starting with a feeder, an automatic wrapping machine, a cutting saw and unloading station. The machine we have here is a sophisticated version of wrapping machine. The reason why we set up this machine like this was because the customer has relatively short runs. They are in the furniture industry and they want to do quick setups and quick changes. Quick setup, it's a revolver with 3 sets already done on the machine. So we have 3 already set tooling sets for 3 different profiles. On the other hand, we have 2 spools with magnetic powder brakes. So apart from having a quick change, we can also, running with the machine or running at full speed, just decrease the speed of the line, do an automatic foil change with a compensation system. We have magnetic powder brakes to read the diameter of the spools in order to control the tension of the foil always. So no matter whether we are running high speeds or low speeds, the braking control is always there, and thus we avoid that the foil, when joining or when speeding up or going down, slowing down, will break. So the machine works as follows. We have the control cabinet here, so we can do everything basically from here. The profiles are fed in laterally. They can be put up vertically or they just can run in there. We read a gap from the beginning till the saw, but we keep the profiles up in the machine. So reading the gap means our saw, our cutting saw, the flying saw, knows exactly where to cut. We have a cutting tolerance of ±2 millimeters. So when the profiles run through, they get wrapped. They get cut there with the tolerance which is acceptable on the market of ±2 millimeters. And at the outfeed, we just accelerate the piece and then we go left on the outfeed and the operator can take it there, or they fall just in a tray. This system makes the whole process much easier.